What does that mean? The experts say the global free marketplace has both an up
What?
and a down.
Are you gonna bouncy? Hey.
Gotta figure out how it works.
Uh-huh.
Where are you going?
Think it'd be more comfortable with with a towel in the front?
No, he's alright.
He's alright, you think? Looks like he's leaning forward.
He is. Did you figure out how it works?
Hey!
What are you eating?
Huh?
Yay!
You bouncy.
You look like a little grasshopper.
You figure out, is he struggling to get out of it, or is he having fun? Are you having fun? That builds strength in his legs.
Yep.
What a good idea, Mommy.
What are you doing? They're getting so heavy, so that's a lot better than us trying to hold you up to jump.
Uh-huh. It sure is.
Smile, Dada. Smile, Dada. Smile.
Hey, baby.
Jump, jump, jump. Bounce, 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 yeah.
Did you take a picture?
Yeah. What?
Need new tape.
What? What?
Uh-oh. Who's that? Dashy Rashi.
Get my little honey. They look cute. Stop it. Stop kissing. Ah, no, no. Jump. Wee. Stop, stop, stop. Wee. Go on, jump. There. Wee.
We have some tips that may actually save your life. Welcome back to Morning Line. This Saturday morning coming up, we'll tell you which parts of the world the U.S. government strongly suggests you do not travel to. We'll also give you some advice on what to do if you must or just really want to visit those locations. That's just ahead.
What? Dog? Dog? It's amazing how big he's getting. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
He's almost 6 months old already.
Josh, stay to the side. I can't see. Won't get both of you.
Stop it.
The weather situation wasn't quite what we wanted. We tried to slow down a little bit. And then some high-level cloud came in above us. And that meant
Where, put his toy things up on the top. His rings.
No, Josh.
No, not that.
Lewinsky is still driving the headlines this weekend. A new poll finds the majority of Americans, 51%, say Lewinsky did not really mean the apology given to Mrs. Clinton and Chelsea.
There you go.
And 70% say Lewinsky is more foolish than they first thought.
See, that was high enough for me.
5% of the survey think she is enjoying all the attention right now. As the not-so-flattering numbers come out, Lewinsky is headed overseas. She flies to London today for a 3-week publicity tour. She'll be promoting her new tell-all book, Martha's Story. And it's been a rough week weather-wise for lots of people in the Northeast and also throughout the Midwest. And for the latest on the weather conditions around the country, that's checking in right now with meteorologist Joe Lundberg.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Good morning, Bill. It's the second big storm so far in March, and this is only the 7th of March. We've got a long way to go.
I'm hungry.
I know, Dada's going to take a break here and go in the grocery store.
I'm just playing with my baby roller. Why?
Go ahead, do it.
Can you see?
Do it again.
Slobber box. Then he just loves his big brother say.
Do it again.
He just loves his big brother say.
I'm watching him eat the hot dog is what I'm doing. Because I want your hot dog. You want Josh's hot dog.
Hey, Jacob. Hey, sweetie. Hi there. Hi. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, Dad, take a picture of yourself.
I'm ugly. Can't do that. Hey, I'm over here. You keep looking at that hot dog, don't you? Huh?
Looky. Where'd it go? It's like, huh? Where'd the hot dog go? Did it blow away?
We're in the middle of one of our weekly fire drills. How Daddy found time to pick up the VCR camcorder today, I have no idea. It's Wednesday night church night. We've been home a whole 10 minutes. It's time to go.
Build a snowman. So we got about 12 inches yesterday of snow. See Daddy there making pounds of snow up. There's our big snowball. It's pretty decent size. Took quite a bit of effort to get where it's at. Where's Josh? He's behind the plane here. There's Josh. Everybody's having fun. I guess Josh is making the head and Daddy's making the mid area. So we'll have to get a shot then when they're done. So I'll have to get another shot then when they're done. So we'll talk to everybody later. Say bye. See how much we're doing. Say hi, everybody. Put a lot of work into this snowball. Uh-oh. Little paddle.